Hey friends, I am so excited. I just baked my first Dutch oven bread. I feel like now that I figured out why yeast and sugar and all that happens when you do doughs, I feel like I figured it out. I figured out the magic and now I can bake anything. Well, I won't say anything, but I'm like actually enjoying baking bread. It's been really fun to learn and experiment. So I just wanted to show you because I was so excited. You know, it's like when you bake, it's like, oh my God, it worked. The dough rose and everything. Okay, you guys ready? Check it out. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Let me know if you're catching this live. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. I did that all by myself. I'm so excited. It's going to be good with some Nutella. But hey, don't forget, the Dutch oven is normally $240. It's on sale for $99. But look at that. I did that. Just flour, water, oil. Look at me. Water. Now I'm gonna take this out and let it cool. I'm so excited that it worked. Have a great Saturday.